Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 4.92%, or so they in a real sense thought. The cost of Axie boundlessness basically rose by 1.45% in the past 24 hours, which most certainly is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it truly is currently $10.21, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie essentially has its by and large next opposition at $11.87, showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it really is currently $10.21, or so they generally thought. 23 December 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters, is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness. Sort of is Axie's of by and large wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they essentially thought. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Axie's specialized examination, in a real sense, let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an essentially large manner. Market investigation over the for the most part last Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%. Which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, which sort of shows that Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is very critical. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB for the most part, is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25 in a very huge manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem, so moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.81% in esteem, or so they really thought. These occasions most certainly show that the market fundamentally is going in a sort of descending course for most certainly present moment, exhibiting that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $54,944,631,622, or so they essentially thought. Right now, and in every way that really matters, general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so the cost of Axie endlessness generally rose by 1.45% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters, recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 4.92%, or so they especially thought. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how 23 December 2023, in this video, we will sort of walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for the following week and truly attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Sought clarification on some things, facts, what truly is transient cost expectation for Axie vastness, in a real sense, is Axie's a sort of wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move genuinely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,659 billion. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie endlessness, Axie's, Axie limitlessness execution. The very everyday graph of Axie vastness generally shows that the Axie's cost for the most part has explicitly flooded up with a 1.45% expansion in by and large beyond 24 hours, which basically shows that Axie's really has its kind of next opposition at $11.87. showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it is currently $10.21 in a by and large huge manner. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin, really is remaining at $7.52, with market capitalization $992,717,484 United States dollars in a by and large significant manner. Axie's cost changes 4.92% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is drifting around $45,218,174 United States dollars, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness value investigation Axie's cost examination for 23 December 2023, inside an everyday time span, really made sense of underneath, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Axie vastness. So Axie boundlessness value examination Axie's cost examination for 23 December 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, in a sort of large manner. The Axie boundlessness for the most part has generally break all its sort of supports levels, and things especially are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, especially further appearance how similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move certainly dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how market examination over the last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,659,003,959,381 in an unpretentious manner. Presently, especially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively most certainly take Axie's cost underneath the critical help level of $10.21 in a significant manner. The MACD line certainly is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday outline, exhibiting that these occasions explicitly show that the market in every practical sense is going in an especially descending bearing for commonly present moment, exhibiting that the really complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $54,944,631,622 in a sort of enormous manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and certainly is attempting to basically break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, exhibiting how similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.8%